at what I have over here. So I've been told that these products help to reduce fat on the tummy, reduce cellulite, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So let's check them out. Okay, first one, we have an abs patch here, and let's see what my editor wanted me to watch.
My girlfriend said she wishes I had abs, so I bought this. It's an ABS stimulator. It's supposed to burn fat and work out your abs through the day.
I don't know whether he's making fun of this item or if this is a promo video. Okay. Ooh, let's try level 1. I feel nothing. 2, 3, 4, 5. I can feel the vibration now. I can feel like it's punching my belly lightly. 6. Ooh, can you guys see my tummy vibrating? 7. It's getting there. 8. I gotta brace my core. I think that's the whole point. Yep, 9 is there. I can feel my voice vibrate. Oh my god, my whole body's shaking. I wonder how high this goes up to because 10 is pretty intense. 12. 13, 14, 15. Ow, it's hurting. Okay, one more. 16. I feel like this is it. This is 17 now. 18. This is painful. I feel like I'm sweating. Oh my god, I am sweating. My belly is red right now. I feel like my belly is still vibrating. FDA cleared with medical technology. Use this 20 minutes a day. After 2 months, you will have a better figure. Make your figure charming. Breast training? Only 50 minutes per time. It equals to 1800 meters of running, 60 minutes of yoga, and 2 weeks of diet. 2 weeks of diet? 11 vibration modes and 25 intensity levels. I didn't know it was 25. I would have gone up to 25 to test it out, you know what I mean? So here's my verdict. Is this gonna give you like chiseled abs? I don't think so, because it takes more than just a little device and working out to get chiseled abs, right? Like you gotta make sure you have a good diet and everything. You don't know what the long-term effect is using gadget like this. My opinion is that it's just a waste of your time and money. Here's the second product. 30 days to shape the perfect quid. I want a perfect quid. 30 minutes a day equate to 1 hour of running, 30 minutes of swimming, and 3 hours of yoga. Slim waist, go move smoothly. What does that mean? Do I have to put this together? It's squishy. I'm definitely gonna hurt myself somehow. Ow! I don't have a lot of space to work around here, okay? I'll give it a big spin. Let's hope I don't break anything. Wow, look at me! The best hula hooper ever. Oh, slowing down. Come on. Dude! Oh! If anyone breaks in my comment, I'm gonna use this to swing at them because I've got no weapons, just some balls. This actually hurts. I could break a nose. Be careful. Alright, so I guess this is really fun. I like doing this. I don't mind this product too much because I used to do a lot of hula hoop when I was little. You know, it's really fun, but it was those like massive hula hoop where you really twist your hips. This one's not really like that. Feels different. I think it's alright if you're into hula hooping or just want to have some fun physical activity, but it's definitely not for everyone because it's clunky, noisy, and won't have as much benefit as a workout. Next product. Hot. I just boiled this for 30 seconds and I'm gonna pop this in my mouth and I'm gonna burn my mouth because this is hot. Did I not boil it long enough? I feel like it's too hot. Like, I can't put it in my mouth. Okay, take 2. Try to put this in my mouth. I'm gonna try to put this in my mouth. It's hot and soft. There's so much resistance in this. So I can see how it's gonna work your jaw, like, you know, building your masseter muscle. So this is supposed to slim, tone, and tighten your face and neck. And it helps to reduce cravings. For real? Chewing has been shown to decrease cravings, and this jaw chew exercises helps mold the face muscle. Our jawline exerciser for men helps to chisel your jaw. So it looks like I bought a large instead of a small. It's definitely gonna work on your masseter muscle, which is what most guys want. But if you're trying to lose fat on your face, just know that you can't target fat loss, and this isn't gonna help with that. Next product, we have a thigh master. It matches my shirt too. So cute. This looks like it's sturdy, it's gonna defend me well. I have a lot of defensive products right now at home. Yeah, if someone were to come into my home, I'll hide behind my door, I'll put them in a chokehold, using this.
It's similar to a hip adductor machine in terms of your motions. You can definitely feel it in your inner thighs, but this thing only has one resistance level. So once it gets too easy for you, then you need more resistance. So you're better off using something that is adjustable. I guess it may be useful for some people, but you'll end up being ineffective pretty quickly and be just junk in your home.
Next, we've got this ginger slimming cream. Hot cream. It helps to burn fat, moisturize it, caffeine, lymphatic drainage, and increases circulation. Let's pop some on my arm. Hopefully it's not too hot. It says it's hot. It's quite a lot on. Is it a lot? Maybe a little bit more? A little bit more? It smells like ginger and rosemary. It smells good. Coating all desired areas without rubbing in. The cream will be activated by your elevated heart rate. It works best during cardio exercises. I mean, I can feel that it's a little bit spicy right now. So based on the product page, it's used to burn fats from different parts of the body. It's supposed to help with hips fat drooping, thighs fat drooping, abdominal fat, arm rough, abdominal relaxation, and sagging back fat. I can feel that it's hot now. So even when I'm not working out, this is like getting hot. Make body slimming easier. Effectively crush fat stored in the abdomen. Reduce excess subcutaneous fat. Promote abdominal fat burning. I really don't think products like this work just because like you can't target fat loss. If you want to lose weight, you just gotta exercise, you gotta watch your diet, be in a calorie deficit.
Even if there was a tiny weight loss benefit, and that's a huge if, it's going to be marginal and be such minimal difference. So I would not recommend.
Alright, that's it. That's all the products I've tried. Some of these products could work, maybe. I don't want to say too much because I don't want to get sued, but it's just not for me. Like these products are just not for me. Working out at the gym or at home is gonna be more worth it given the amount of time you spend on it. If you're consistent with your workout routine with good diet, you're gonna see great results. So that's the way I like to go. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!